So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vintage Vixen. My name is Sam, and today I have a little review / tutorial for you using the Grease Pink Ladies palette from Sola Look. I had never heard of Sola Look before, but when they announced the pre-sale for this palette, a friend of mine shared it with me on Facebook because she knows me, and I knew I immediately had to have it. I love the movie Grease. I loved it as a kid. One summer, a friend and I watched it like every day, and I still love it to this day. I love the music. I love, of course, the clothes, and who didn't want to be a pink lady, right? So Sola Look is a cosmetics brand, based in Boston, Massachusetts, here in the US, and they have a few products, eyeshadows and lip stuff mostly, but it seems like one of their specialties seems to be these pop culture inspired palettes and lip products. So in addition to the Grease palette, they had a Dirty Dancing palette, which I believe is sold out. And they also have a Flashdance palette, and then they have a trio of liquid lipsticks inspired by Saved by the Bell. So kind of combines a few of my favorite things: makeup, pop culture, movies that I loved growing up. So I'm really excited about it, and I'm going to keep my eye on this brand and see what else they come up with. I've started following them on Instagram, and I will post, of course, all of their information in the description box down below. So back to the Pink Ladies palette. It retails for $40. It is currently available on their website, so you can order it. And let's get right into it. Packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, and Sola Look did a great job with this product. So it came wrapped in this pink tissue paper. Yes, I kept the tissue paper. I'm one of those people. I know, like, logically I will never have a purpose or a reason to use this paper, but it was just so pretty I couldn't throw it out, and I wanted to show it to you. So we'll see, maybe I can come up with something to do with it. It also came with this Pink Ladies patch, which is really cool. Mine has animal hair on it because what else is new in my life? So it comes with this Pink Ladies patch. I don't know what I'm gonna put it on yet. I haven't decided. And then it also comes with a sticker of Rizzo, and it says, "Okay girls, let's go get 'em," which she says in the beginning of the film when they're back to school for the year. Everybody wanted to be Rizzo, of course. She was the total badass, and I'm no exception. She is the coolest. The palette itself came in this little paper sleeve. On the front it says Grease Pink Ladies. On the back it has some information about the palette, and of course a picture of the iconic Pink Ladies on the bottom there. Inside we have this. This is the front of the palette. It features Jan, Frenchie, and Marty, and the Grease logo. And then on the back it has all of the Pink Ladies listed with their names, so that's kind of cute. Inside you get a mirror, which I have yet to take the protective film off of for some reason. I don't know, I just don't want it to get dirty, I guess. And then we have Rizzo over here during her iconic scene where she sings "There Are Worse Things I Could Do," which is a great song. You get 10 eyeshadows for $40. They are shimmer eyeshadows, which I'm not typically a fan of, but I do like these. I tend to favor more matte, but I have really enjoyed using these. All of the shadows are named inspired by the film. So there's Blonde Pineapple, So Pink, Peachy Keen, Beauty School, Jelly Bean, Too Pure, Summer Lovin', Electrifyin', Heartbreak, and Frosty Palace. I have used 5 of the 10 eyeshadows. I have used Blonde Pineapple, So Pink, Too Pure, Summer Lovin', and Electrifyin'. The other colors are really beautiful, but I have to figure out a way that I want to incorporate them into my look because they aren't colors that I generally use, but I do plan on doing something with them. Even the details down to the shadows themselves, they are all pressed with a monogram PL for Pink Ladies, so that's really cool. So that is the Grease Pink Ladies palette by Sola Look. Stay tuned to see a really quick tutorial I did of this look right here that I did using the eyeshadows from this palette. Leave a comment down below if you have this palette and let me know how you like it, or if you are going to consider adding it to your collection. So yes, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you again, as always, for tuning in and sharing this time with me. I hope you're all having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay, so I'm starting with a clean and moisturized face, and I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm just going to apply an even layer over both eyelids. As you can see, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but I want to make sure that every part of my lid area is covered evenly. Next, I'm going to take my 88 Matte palette from BH Cosmetics, which I adore, and I'm going to go in with a light pink color and just apply that all over the lid as a nice base color for the rest of the look.
Rockin' and a rollin' and a rollin' and a rockin', the record high.
Next, I'm taking the Pink Ladies palette, and if I can get it open, which I seem to struggle with at this point, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow brush to apply the color So Pink, which is the lightest pink in the palette, and I'm going to apply that on my lid everywhere except for the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to take the color Electrifyin', which is this orangey bright pink. I don't know what the problem was there, but I'm going to use a crease brush and apply that in my crease and the outer corner of my lid. As you can see, I added a little bit more of So Pink to the center of my eyelids as well, and then I take a blending brush and I'm going to blend those two shades together. A smaller brush, I'm going to take the shade Too Pure and apply that on the inner corner of my lid and blend that in. Using my trusty NYX matte liquid eyeliner, I am going to do my usual wing. Next, I'm going to slap some Worth the Hype mascara by NYX on my eyelashes.
Everybody's at the record hop, rockin' at the record hop.
Time to fill in those eyebrows. I'm using my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade to get the job done. Now it's time to make that brow bone highlight pop, girl. So I'm going to take the color Summer Lovin' and I'm going to apply that just on the brow bone and then blend it in so there are no harsh lines with the crease color. On my lips, I'm going to use Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Berlin, which is this pretty hot pink color. And I apologize in advance because I didn't realize that my mouth was not in view of the camera. So half of this step is out of frame, but you kind of get the idea. And that is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And until next time, bye.